Okay, so what you're seeing me do right now is a lox wax casting process, and I'm doing the first step of it by building the sprue tree. The sprue tree is basically going to be a wax tree that is going to be inside of a flask with investment, and then we're going to heat this entire structure super hot, 1500, 1600, 1700 degrees inside of an oven, and what's going to happen is that wax is going to evaporate. So this structure that you see me build right now is wax. It's going to go on a plastic base, and then I'm going to put a flask on top of the structure, and then I'm
Do you
going to
need me to
mix
mark them?
investment and water. Investment is a powder mixture, and once it's mixed with water, it becomes like a cement. This cement is going to be around the wax, and the cement can be heated to super high degrees like we talked about earlier. And then the wax is going to evaporate, and it's going to create this negative cavity, and the negative cavity is going to be whatever jewelry or 3D wax that you put inside the investment originally. Then we're going to melt the metal until it becomes a liquid. So 14 karat gold, rose gold, white gold, we're going to melt it until it becomes a liquid. And then I'm going to use what's called a centrifugal, and the centrifugal caster is going to force that melting liquid inside of the cavity that was left behind from when the wax got burned out. So you see me mixing the investment right now, and then I'm removing the air from inside the investment and putting the investment inside of the flask. So this is the liquid that becomes like a cement, and then I remove air out of it one more time, and then now I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit for an hour. It's going to dry, and then I put it inside the oven, and that's how we start the burnout process.